So I want to talk about a very important topic to all of my new investors that nobody explained to me at the beginning. And since I'm a beginning investor like yourself, I want to share my knowledge with you. Today we're going to talk about volume because it's been a really important topic these last couple weeks with what's going on in the stock market. Volume is the amount of trading that a certain stock is doing. Depending on the platform that you have, some do it by the minute, some do it by the hour, some do it by the day, some do it by the week. Most of them do it by the minute. If you do candlesticks, candlesticks are the little lines that you see, the little boxes that go like this and stuff. Those are candlesticks. If you do those and they do it by the minute, what's important about volume is that volume shows you how many people are trading that certain stock at that certain given time, which could either push it up to increase it or it can decrease it depending on where the volume is going. So let's say like 200,000 people are buying that stock. Well, obviously it's going to increase the volume of that stock purchase. So it's going to make the stock go up. And if there's a bunch of people selling the stock, obviously it's going to go down. Common sense, right? So why it's important these last couple of weeks is because I've noticed a lot of financial gurus, IG influencers or Twitter influencers, Facebook groups, a whole bunch of mess of people pushing crap stocks to everyone. And everyone gets on it like, oh yeah, this stock's at 42 cents. Blah, blah, blah. You know, we got to get behind it. We got to push it, blah, blah, blah. 42 cents, whatever. So let's say, for example, let's say I'm an IG influencer or financial guru or whatever with 300,000 followers on Instagram or Twitter, blah, 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 whatever. You get the point, right? Let's say that I push a crap stock to you and I'm a convincing guy. I'm like, yo, you need to get this stock. This stock's going to go to the moon, skyrocket to the moon, blah, blah, blah. And as new investors, we take that advice because we're new to the game, right? So, and obviously this IG influencer, he has so many followers because he obviously knows what he's doing. So we take that advice. So 200,000+ people start buying that stock. So what do you think is going to happen? Obviously, the volume of that stock the next day is going to start increasing, which is going to start increasing the price. The reason why this is an issue is because most of these IG influencers, these Facebook groups or whoever, are capitalizing on our ignorance. They are pushing us crap stocks for them to make a buck. Because if they buy it, let's say they buy the stock at 28 cents or 43 cents, and they push that stock up to $1, $2, $3. When we buy it, you know what I mean? And they sell it, they are capitalizing on our ignorance because we didn't do our due diligence. We didn't check out the financials. We didn't check out profit margins. We didn't see anything about the company. So they buy it here, they start pushing it. We buy here, me and you, we buy here. And it keeps going up and up and up and up. And then we're like, oh my God, this is really going to the moon. And then that person that owns the most majority of those shares, well, not a majority, but a lot of those shares, sells it right here. Guess what's going to happen? It's going to go like this. And then like this, like this, like this. And me and you that got caught in the crosshairs right here are going to lose money because we didn't do our due diligence. We listened to some person on Instagram, on Twitter, on a Facebook group or whatever, and we got caught up in the momentum. Now, this works if you're a day trader. If you're just going to buy it and sell it once it gets up here and quick flips, that's cool. If you're a day trader, you're a swing trader, you have a momentum strategy, that's perfect for you. But if you're a new trader, new investor like myself, and you know, and we're just investing to make money and we don't really know what we're doing that much, we're going to get caught and we're going to end up losing a lot of money. Okay? So I just wanted to share that piece of information with you. Hopefully you take that in consideration next time you buy a stock. Please do your due diligence. Do not just buy a stock because everyone else is talking about it. There has to be something behind it that makes sense. Okay? You can't just, some random stock out of nowhere that just gets pumped is not a good purchase. Do your due diligence. Make sure you research the company and make sure you feel confident about buying that stock. Do not just buy it off the hype. Okay? Please do not buy stock off the hype. All right. Keep trading, my friends. Big energy.